zone of unconscious consciousness. Flow, the delicious made-a-reality sphere. Flow, the crimson void of spontaneous random. Perceive this entropic view of a system, improvised like a life or a painting. Postmodern boo-boo texts illustrate the purple paradigm. Soul logic, soul logic, soul logic. That which is concerned with exacting chaos on existing forms and structures, utilizing rational thought and bluesological feeling. What is felt will merge with all that is thought to create intuitive reasoning, spiced with spiritual seasoning. This is the recipe for flow. Just ask Rasta Bibi or Professor Carnez, who says chocolate surrealism saturates soul logic continuums with tones painted in sound, motion expressed in rhythm, and time told by listening to the space in between notes. How much feeling can make this work? Polyrhythm swing is the main thing given to you by the Boo-Hab. We recognize the affinity between cosmic divinity and organic procreation. Passion fuels the imagination, which is a subtext of flow. Creativity is about being, and ESP is a method of communication coming to you by way of thought, which is all things light and dark in the tunnel of aphrodisiac love. She is melody and rhythm. 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 Truth revealed in her symmetry. Color her brown, color her brown, color her brown. Please won't you color her brown? Always becoming, ever being the core of the cosmos. Atoms split, casting off energy and balance like cool mau-mau, set to kill and dismember. Remember the histories and the legacies of all that has come to pass. The bell still tolls for the victims of middle passage. The bell still tolls for the victims of middle passage. The bell still tolls for the victims of middle passage. The bell still tolls for the victims of middle passage. Those kings and queens cast into slavery shall ascend once again to take their rightful place on the throne of flavor. So it is written in the Fat Temple. So it is written in the Fat Temple. I have seen it. It's in the Fat Temple. So it is written in the Fat Temple. Will the real Boo-Hab please stand up? 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 Beauty and sound organizers, soundtrack is from Boo-Habian sent to correct what needs to be corrected. Brown Fellinis, Brown Fellinis, Brown Fellinis. You are listening to the Brown Word Carnage. I'm on Rasta Bibi and Black Edge Kenyatta. Soul Logic syntax, Soul Logic syntax. Black Dada plus Soul Logic syntax. Flow. Black Dada plus Soul Logic syntax.